Well, if you've spent any time outdoors, you know we have a bit of a wind situation developing across southern Ontario, migrating across the Greater Toronto area. So what we had was a decaying thunderstorm complex, but in behind that, we're getting dry air mixing down to the surface. So computer models grossly underdid the possible wind gusts that we are going to continue to see further east. So this is the future precipitation. Those winds will greatly increased behind this frontal system, and we've already had reports of wind gusts over 90 kilometers an hour up towards Hamilton International above the mountains. So those winds perhaps remaining in that 60 to 90 kilometers an hour range over the next few hours as this pushes through. So we're taking a look at some high resolution model guidance, 90 plus kilometers an hour. This will likely cause problems on the Skyway Bridge in and around Hamilton to Burlington, and also through the GTA, those peak winds forecast in and around that 80 plus kilometer an hour range.